Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Yasmin and on this channel we talk about the latest technology, AI and future ready skills. What if your work could be done automatically while you sleep? Emails answered, reports generated, videos edited and even decisions suggested by AI? Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening. Today we are going to talk about AI automation, what is it, how it works, and why it's becoming a must known skill in 2026 and beyond. What is an AI powered Zap? Zaps are automated workflows that have at least two steps. They need a trigger, an event that begins the workflow, and they need an action, an event that automatically happens after a trigger. An AI powered Zap has at least three steps. It still needs a trigger, which is usually followed by an AI action that somehow manipulates the data from the trigger. Then a follow up action sends that manipulated data to another app. Here's one example. In this app, whenever you receive an email that includes a certain keyword, Gemini will summarize the key points of that email and add the summary to your running list in a Google Doc of your choice. You get a neat scannable document of whatever you want, like newsletter excerpts or team updates. To get started, open Zap Editor and sign in with your Google account and click on Zap Automated Workflow. First, set up your trigger, pick Gmail as your app and new email matching search as your trigger event, then connect your account. When you are done, click Continue. You will be taken to the Configure tab. This Zap will only trigger if an email contains a certain keyword, and this is where you will specify that keyword. For multiple keywords or to limit your searches, use search operators. I want to filter for emails with update in the subject line, so I configured that field accordingly. Click Continue, then click Test Trigger. Zapier will look for emails that match your search keywords. Select a test record and click Continue with selected record. Now, it's time to set up your Action app. Click on Action app and select Google AI Studio Gemini in the model that appears. Choose Send Prompt as your action event and connect your account. If it's your first time connecting your AI tool to Zapier, click Connect a new account. You will be prompted to enter your API key, the unique string of characters tied to your account. Finding your API key is similar across AI tools, but for Gemini, it's specifically located at aistudio.google.com. Once you are there, go to the bottom left corner above your email address and click Get API Key. Pick a key if you have one set up already, otherwise, click Create API Key. A model with two drop down menus will appear. Give your key a name, assign it to a project, and click Create Key. Copy the generated key, then return to Zapier and paste it into the field. Then click S, continue to Google AI Studio. Back in the Zap editor, you should see your connected account. Then click Continue. In the Configure tab, you can modify a few settings including your model and prompt. I'll go with the newest model and write a quick prompt for summarizing an email. After the prompt, I need to map the field to my previous Gmail step, so Gemini actually has content to work with. To map data, click the plus sign or type a forward slash in the field, then select the data you want to map. You should now see the mapped data in the field. When you are done configuring your step, click Continue. You will see the data that will be sent to your Gemini action step when it runs. Click Test Step. This will show you the AI's output. If you want to tweak it, go back to the Configure tab and play with your prompt a little. If you are happy with the result, it's time to add your last action step. If you used a Zap template to build this Zap, click the plus sign under the Gemini action step to add a new step. Pick Google Docs as your app and append text to document as your action event. Then connect your account. When you are done, click Continue. From the Configure tab, you can pick the document you want your AI generate summary to write to. And you can specify what beyond that summary you want to add. I want to keep a running list of team updates displaying the subject line and date of the email before the summary, so I am going to fill out that field and map data accordingly. This field supports HTML tags, so you can adjust your text to make sure it look exactly the way you want it to. When you are done, click Continue, and in the next tab, click Test Step. Check the document you created to make sure you see what you expected. Then don't forget to click Publish to let your Zap go live. Here's what my document looks like. As I said earlier in my previous video, AI automation is not the future, it's the present. If you want tutorials on AI tools, automation workflows, and future tech trends, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below which task do you want to automate next. Bye bye.